In a dental office, turning over an examination room quickly and safely makes a difference to both you and your patients. But your office must clean its clinical contact surfaces before disinfecting them. First you have to clean to remove the debris and germs. Then you disinfect to kill the remaining germs. OPTIM OS1 combines cleaning and disinfection into one step to save your team time. It uses a proprietary formulation of a widely used surfactant called LAS, or linear alkyl benzene sulfonate. Our formula combines the cleaning power of a surfactant with a biocide to capture debris and inactivate surface germs. Here's how it works. When you wipe a surface with OPTIM OS1, the surfactant molecules in the solution arrange around debris to create what are called micelles. These micelles trap the debris in the wipe. But OPTIM OS1 doesn't stop there. The liquid solution deposited on the surface is also working. The LAS active system's superior biocidal properties penetrate virus, bacteria and fungi cell membranes to ensure thorough disinfection. Wipe and walk away with confidence, knowing that an OPTIM OS1 wipe will maintain surface contact times on hard, non-porous surfaces. This makes OPTIM OS1 a responsible choice for your dental office and your patients.